All right. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria came back today and was seen marching straight forward to resume his work immediately and effectively. Recall that recently it was announced that he has been hospitalized and he's seriously sick and all those things, and so many persons have written so many things on social media. I'm going to be bringing some of the comments that some persons have written, and I think really looking at Tinubu, you may see that he's somehow healthy to resume his work, but I don't know. But it's obvious that this man cannot or may not deliver Nigeria like as people wished or hoped for. Watch and then read this commentary and then make your comment. I want to see your comment, and then don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.